Hi, it's Bertrand from Orca Traders. I would like to share an idea about the advantages of options today. Okay, let's go to our screen. Well, as you know, first point, selling options is a game with positive expected return. So in other words, options are too expensive. So it makes sense to sell options and not to buy it. But you have one key exception. It's call in the money and in the long run. So why? Because when you are buying a call in the money and long run, the price of the call will have a negative impact with low or negative interest rate and high dividend. In other words, high dividend and low interest rate will diminish the price of the call. So does it make sense? So it's easy to understand with Black-Scholes, but let's go to, let's say, a more intuitive idea. If you want to borrow money to buy a house, and if you have negative interest rate, this operation will be more interesting for you. When you are going long in a call in the money, is exactly the same idea. So in the sense that you are making leverage, and leverage is more interesting for the borrower when interest rate is low or even negative. Let's take an example. So the example, the call 700, so on the EAX, the EAX, it's at 780, so we are in the money. December 22, the price is 10,000 euro, and you have an implied exposure of 70,000 euro. So it's the same as to borrow 60,000 euro. You put 10,000 on the table and you have exposure on 70,000. So of course, you have some key points extremely important. So which strike to choose and which maturity, because here you see that the price is relatively high, 10,000 euro. Second point, when to enter this kind of position. And third point, how and when to manage this position. So all of these, let's say, three questions are studied, let's say, during our classes. So just to summarize the idea, it's interesting to sell option with one key exception, call in the money long run, but the key point is to know how you manage a position, which maturity, which strike, and how to manage a position. Of course, it's not a money machine, so it's not, let's say, a rule, okay, wow, I have to buy a call in the money, it will work. Okay, thank you for your attention. As you see, you combine this long position in the money by selling call more short run makes also a lot of sense. See you next time, bye-bye.